Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, simple, easy, delicious pasta. This turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the saucepan, add in water, salt, vegetable seasoning or chicken seasoning. I then added in olive oil. I'll cover it and bring it to a boil. So I'll set that on the other side of the gas of the stove, and then in another saucepan or in a wok, I'll add in crushed garlic and chopped onion, olive oil, and then I'll let this steam for about 2 minutes before adding in the sliced or chopped sausage. So I'll stir this for 2 minutes again and then add in my chicken breast. The chicken breast that I'm using here is optional. I then added in carrots, chicken seasoning, chili powder, white pepper, and vegetable seasoning as well. The chicken seasoning that I'm using is my homemade chicken seasoning. So if you want to know how to do it, check through my page. You'll find out how I made this beautiful, this amazing homemade chicken seasoning. So I then let it cook for about 5 minutes until the chicken breast is almost cooked, and then I added in tomato paste. So after adding in the tomato paste, I'll let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes more, and then add in tomato puree. I'll rinse the glass or the bottle and then add in just a little bit of water. So I'll let this cook for about 10 minutes or until the stew has thickened up. By then the water should have come to a boil, and then I'll add in my pasta. You can use any pasta, any type, shape of pasta of your choice. So I set that aside as well, then moved on to the stew. As you can tell here, it has cooked, and then you can see even oil has begun to form on top. So I'll then go ahead and add in my vegetables, which is red onion, green onion, red onion red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and green bell pepper. I then added in red onion and then stir this till well combined, and then I added in the pasta, which was already cooked, like it was cooked, and then I drained the water and added to it. So this is very simple. You only need 2 pots for this. It's simple and easy, and trust me, it's delicious. This will take you to heaven. So guys, this is it. You only have to stir this. When you get to this point, stir this. The pasta is already cooked, the veggies are already the sauce is already cooked, so no need for you to cook it that much, and you are ready to go. The last ingredient that I'm going to add here is chopped parsley, and that's all guys. At this point, you want to go ahead and check if the salt is for your liking. If you taste and it needs more salt, add in salt for your liking, and you're ready to go. So guys, this is simple, easy, and delicious. Sometimes the easiest food comes out delicious. So I then turn it into my serving bowl, and I'm ready to serve. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, see you in my next video. Love you all and stay blessed. And as always, you're invited.